Hey y'all. Okay, I'm making a quick video here. Have y'all seen these? I have them on the website. So looks like this. And then you plug it into your car or to your house. You know how we used to have those plugins that we would uh, plug into our car, and we started hearing that they had all kind of chemicals and stuff in it. So um, wanted to use something that's a little more cleaner. So I took this one out my car. This one I'm going to be doing for me. And then I'm going to do one for my sister-in-law. And then I'm going to do one for the next person that places the order on the website. Then you will get one as well. Okay, so I'm going to put them all out. Um, well, let's do one at a time. So the first one we're doing is mine. Okay, so mine, I'm going to do some Palo Santo. I'd used little chips of Palo Santo in them, if you can see, but I'm putting little chips in. Okay, and let's see. Um, I like a lot more than that. So you can use as many as you want. Now, if you want one that's already made up, you can just reach out to me and I'll make you one up. Um, Otherwise, you can do it yourself. So this one, I'm putting Palo Santo on the bottom. Love that, Palo Santo. Okay. And then after I put the Palo Santo on the bottom, um, then I have my choice if I want to go with rose, but I think that's going to be for the one that I sent to someone. They're going to get the rose quartz. So for me, I'm going to put a little green aventurine crystals inside, just a couple of them on the bottom. So I have my Palo Santo, I have a little bit of green aventurine, and honestly, I did pick that card for myself and a crystal card, green aventurine, so it goes. So I'm in my glass so far. I have the Palo Santo, I have the green aventurine, and then um, I you can either use some holy water if you're trying to do one for protection, but I feel like I'm going to go with a little bit of Florida water and the one that's for me. Okay, so this is the freshener that I am going to put in my car. Last, depends on what you use, but it will last a while. So I put, and then I use a dropper, and let's see, I'm doing a little bit of Florida water, and then with the Florida water, I get it almost filled up with the Florida water. And then I like to top it off with a little bit of holy water. That's just me. If you want me to make you one, I will. But I like to use just a couple of drops of holy water. So I don't contaminate my dropper or my holy water. And you can get holy water from all kind of botanicals. I always am stocked up on holy water. And sometimes you can even go to the church and get it, or you can make your own. That's a whole nother video. So I had to get my holy water, and I put my holy water in. Yep, I'm going to do 2 spoons of the holy water. Oh gosh, it looks really good now. Okay, and then what do I want to smell like? For me, I like this. It's called let's see, Night Queen. So we're gonna go for the Night Queen. So I actually sold those in my store. A lot of people are familiar with them. And I'm just gonna put a couple of drops of night cream in there to my liking. And I know that this is clean. This is clean. I'm not buying it from somewhere, not knowing what's in it. I know exactly what's in it. So I have used Florida water. I have used holy water. I've got a little bit of night queen. Ooh, it smells so good. And and then I put the lid on it, and then it has this little thing here. And this is how you kind of stir it up a little bit. And there it is. It's ready to be plugged into my car. Literally, you just plug it in, and there you go. There you go. Ah, and you can smell it out the top. It's fabulosity. Okay, so that one's mine. Okay. And then my sister-in-law, she is so picky. Ugh. She doesn't really like much of anything. Um, it's because she's allergic. I'm gonna be honest, she's allergic to a lot of different stuff. So for my sister-in-law, I felt like I'm just gonna go with herbs, stuff that you would find in her, she would find in her kitchen. I feel like that would be the best bet for her. Okay, so let's see. How what you do if something gets stuck, just use this little thing on the jigga on the top that goes on the lid to push it down. So right now I'm putting in cloves for her. Um, I decided I would make her one with stuff that's in her kitchen. So, and then I got the star. I like the star. I like the smell of the star, and I know that she will too. So you kind of have to break the star up a little bit to get it in. Let's see. Yeah, they're a little difficult to break up. So, but you can break them into pieces, and then you're gonna push them in. And like I said, if they get stuck, use your little stick and push it through. Okay, one more piece of Star. Star has a really, it does have a strong fragrance, but I know that she cooks with it. I know that she likes it, so I don't think that she'll have a problem with it. And for her in particular, I'm not gonna put in any kind of oh, I might do, yeah, I was gonna do orange. Orange is kind of neutral, and when she was here, she liked it. But literally, she's allergic to everything. So oh, and then what else? I wanted to do, so I've got the clove in there. I've got a little bit of star. I want to do another, a couple of little pieces of star because they're falling. Okay, so there's star, there's star. And then, you know what I thought? I thought cinnamon. I'm gonna do a little bit of cinnamon. So I usually buy fresh cinnamon and then I just blend it up. So I got some of my fresh cinnamon. Let me get it here. And then I'm just gonna put it in. Just gonna drop the cinnamon right in. And I'm trying to grab the bigger chunks, not the ones that are real small. I'm grabbing the big chunks here to go in. Okay, there you go. Ah, ooh, it smells so good. Okay, and so then what I was gonna do for her is I'm not gonna do that, I'm not gonna do the Florida water because she's not gonna like that. So with her, I just do holy water. Yeah, just do straight up holy water. Get it almost filled to the brim. And then put a couple of drops of orange in there. And so it'll smell like something from her kitchen, and I think that she will love it. Okay, so here's the orange. Ugh, I'm dropping everything. So I'm gonna try to put a couple of, let me see if I can just put a couple of drops of orange in here, if that will work. So I kind of flip it, and then you just kind of, okay. So, sorry. Okay, so I got some orange in there. Oh, it smells so good. She's gonna be so surprised and so happy to get it. Okay, I'm gonna top it off with a little bit more holy water. Okay, so because I'm sending this through the mail to her, I'm not gonna hook the whole thing up. So they come with these little plugs. So I just take one of these little tiny plugs and you'll see it in the bag. And instead of hooking it up like I did mine, I just put a plug on it. There you go. I put a plug on it. I will tape it. I will put it back in the bag with all of her stuff and I will ship it to her. So this literally will be shipped to her. You could, if you like, you could put this lid on there just to tighten it up. Yep, just to make it tight so it doesn't spill all over the place. And then the rest of the stuff goes back in the bag and then you ship it. It's got the plug on it. Oh my gosh, it smells so fabulous. Okay, even just to, I'm gonna leave it out so I can give you guys a screenshot of what it looks like. Oh, it's fabulosity though. Okay, so the last and final one that I'm making is the one I'm going to be shipping to someone for free. Next person that places an order on the website, we get one free. And what are you getting? Let's see. So for the person that is going to order on the website, I figured I would use rose quartz. Sending you love, sending you light. If I can get, oh, they're going in. Woohoo! So you're getting crystals. You're getting the rose quartz, and whatever doesn't fit won't go in. You can use this for your car. If you have blinds in your bathroom, you can use it in your black bathroom as well. Um, I think I'm gonna put some rose quartz, and then I still have some Palo Santo left, so I'll put some Palo Santo in there as well. So here's the rose quartz. There's plenty of rose quartz chips in there. Let's see, down. And again, if you want me to make you one, I will make you one. So these are 2 bottles for $20. If you want me to make the bottles out, I'll charge you an extra $5 each. And I will do Palo Santo if you want. I will do, you know what was really good is the one I made for my sister-in-law, the herb one. That would be good for your kitchen. Oh, you have blinds in your kitchen. I promise you, you want that. Okay, so that has Palo Santo. I actually want to put a little bit more Palo Santo in that. And I always have Palo Santo tips, and I just go towards the bottom. Get the ones off the very bottom, the real tiny ones, because those are the ones that are going to fit. You don't want anything big. This one's going to be way too big. It's never going to go in there. Okay, so you're getting the ones off the bottom. You put those in. Now it looks good. Now you're talking. Okay, so got those. And by the way, I'm gonna put my cinnamon up because this is cinnamon that I use in the kitchen. Okay, um, this person, whoever purchased this, has Palo Santo coming, and then they have the rose quartz in there. And then you know what I thought I would do is I got some roses here. I was like, well, let me try to put a little bit of roses and sage in here. So here's roses and sage. Put those in. They're fabulous. Wow. Okay. So it actually looks pretty beautiful. So the rose and the sage and the Palo Santo, I mean, you double protected. Okay, stand in a space of love, double protected. And so with this, I'm going to do a little bit of holy water. So I'm going to pour a little bit more holy water in there. But I do believe I'm going to really go with I'm going with the Florida water for this particular person. So I'm going to go with Florida water. And you can also do oils. You can definitely do oils. I just am not doing oils, but I do recommend you using some vitamin E or something like that. Okay, so it already smells so good. So I put a little bit of Florida water in there, and then I'm going to do the holy water. And then I will tell you guys what I'm putting in. I have decided for this one, I'm going to use rose. Yeah, this is rose. I mean, why would I not, right? Okay, so, oh, that's myrrh. Where's my rose? Myrrh wouldn't hurt, but I thought rose went better. Okay, so here's the rose. And let's pour it in. And so this, what I'm using is concentrate. And so it's a very thick. You don't need a lot, just a few drops. Okay. That's why I like it, because it's the concentrate. Very, very thick. Oh my gosh. Fabulosity. Okay. So this one is done as well. And the same as the other one, I'm just going to put this little cap on it. So this one will ship to someone, and if it's a guy, the smell. Ooh, if it's a guy and you want your car smelling good, you want to put this in your car. Because trust me, when you pick up your lady friend, she's going to be like, oh. Okay, so this is the final one for whomever makes the next order on the website. It's fabulous. Okay, so there's a lid on it, and you take this. And just to remind you guys, when you get it, you're going to take this off of it. You're going to put this down here, and then you're going to put the lid back on it. You're going to take that out, and then you can put the lid back on it, and then you're going to put this inside of it. This is what makes the smell come into your car. Okay? So I'm just locking this one up because I'm going to end up shipping that to someone, but they're all done. They're all done and they're all fabulous. So I have here, I have the rose one, which will be sent to a customer. And then here's the little thing that goes inside of it. And I have the one that's made for my sister-in-law. Okay. And then here's the little thing that goes inside of it. So there's that. There's that. And then final, I have mine, which is Fabulosity. Ah, smells fabulous. Smells absolutely fabulous. I can't wait to run it in my car. Go put it in my car. So there you have it, folks. It's just that simple. I sell them on my website. They are two for $20. And if you have your own oils, make it yourself. But if you don't have time and you don't have the Palo Santo and you don't have, like I keep everything, when I get the sage, I keep everything that falls off the sage and I burn it. So that's what this is. It has rose in it. It has blue sage. It has white sage. It has a host of other things. Very powerful. So but if you would like the one that I made for my sister-in-law, if you're really not into heavy smells, I promise you the one I made for my sister-in-law is nice. It smells like the kitchen. I know that she's gonna love it. So there you have it. Um, again, they're on the website, two for $20. It's an extra 10 if you want me to put them together. And I will, I'll have the rose one for those of you who want rose, you can even see it. The roses are turning the color rose. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And then I'll even have the one that will have the cloves and the cinnamon. And then mine. Mine is green aventurine and Palo Santo with a little holy water and the night queen. Okay. And I'll have some others as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Get these for your car, get these for your home. Stop buying the ones that we don't know what's in it. We're not going to buy those anymore. Buy these, you can use them over and over again. And if you do not have oils, I have the oils. Let me know what you want. The oils are listed on the website. Yeah, so, and I even have I have Florida water on the website. I don't have holy water on the website at this time, but if you want it with holy water and Palo Santo chips, listen, just get me to make it for you. I'll ship it out within a day or two. Okay. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll get a close-up picture for y'all so you can see what they look like. Yeah, they're fabulous. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye now.